Hello there, this is 5 Core 11.7, the Frozen Stratos, back again with my final entry for Joshua Gundamu's Custom Gundam Contest. Here's my favorite one that I made. I call it the Gundam Excavator. I used Arios, Double O, and some other random bits I could find. I used the Seven Swords G Double O for this. Yeah. This is painted in Gundam marker instead of regular paint. As for armaments and such, his GN drive is on his hand, which I really wanted to do because it gave me the ability to make a larger hand out of Lego. So, yeah, I really like that concept because I had it in my head all throughout school. Below his arm is the beam saber holder. Holds the beam saber quite nicely. And then for like Trans Am, this would open up and it would do something like if you've seen Tiger and Bunny, the good luck mode. He has this shield that I made from the Arios back skirt and the beginning 30 Gundams rifle. Yeah, thrusters. Here's my favorite weapon. It can be detached. This is essentially why it's called the Gundam Excavator. I call it the Buster Drill. It opens up and a laser fires at the tip to, precision blast, whatever. And when that's done, it releases smoke into the air because it takes a lot of energy to use. I really like this weapon. For the drill, I had to use a knockoff Devastator drill for it. It's stored here. It can also be held in this hand. So yeah, and it stores in regular hands too. So it can also be used as a sword. But what I also did was you take that, you turn it around, and you sling this to the bottom. You bring up the handle, and then he can hold it like a drill, like he's drilling things. So yeah, that wraps it up for this guy. Yeah. Let me bring in the rest of them. Ooh. Never mind. Okay. Bye.